Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Debasha Bharadwaj, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. On this channel, we talk about everything related to skincare, beauty and lifestyle, and if that interests you, please keep watching. So today, we are going to talk about some makeup products that perform expensive but are easy on the pocket. That means these products are really affordable, but you won't feel so while using them. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to start with some base products. Now, as of now, I am obsessed with this skin tint or tinted sunscreen that we have here. This is the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen, and guys, I'm obsessed. This is my second purchase of this sunscreen, and no tinted sunscreen has impressed me like this one has. It is so lightweight. This little bottle here, it leaves your skin glowy and evens out your skin tone, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love the texture of this. It's so lightweight. Let me show you. Do you see that? And it blends in so beautifully. I can't even explain how gorgeous this one is. It evens your skin out. It has very sheer coverage, that's for sure, and it is perfect for your everyday use. It seems like you're glowing from within, and that's just perfect. I think everyone needs to have this one in your vanity for sure. Secondly, this is the recent skin tint that I have tried. This is the House of Makeup skin tint. You must have seen this in other YouTubers' videos, and it is the hype about this is real, guys. I'll just tell you how the texture is. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. For and the coverage, oh my god. When you compare this to the Dot & Key skin tint, the coverage is beautiful. It gives you a very nice sheer to medium coverage, and the glow. Do you see that? I think you could see the glow here. It's so gorgeous. It's so very skin like yet youthful and very glowy and still not oily, just the perfect consistency, just the perfect finish. Moving on, I have another option. This one is pretty expensive. It's for around 1500, I would say. I am still not sure about the price, but on some Nika sales you get elf on buy one get one, and that is the time that you need to check this one out. It is great. It is a little more thicker, and this one has the most coverage compared to the two and is thick also. So this is the elf camo CC cream. So this is not exactly a tinted sunscreen. It's somewhere more than that and less than a foundation. And once you blend it, it gives such a gorgeous finish with medium to full coverage. You can build this up also, but you need slightest bit of quantity for this to achieve that medium coverage look. That looks just perfect for casual outings, I would say. Next is affordable concealers, and I have one option here, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is the OG concealer, guys. You need this retails for around 650 rupees, but you can easily get this on discount for 400 500 rupees. And these concealers, I would say, these concealers from LA Girl are amazing. These are amazing for daily wear. They are so lightweight on the skin. You need to trust me on this. It's so lightweight. The coverage is buildable, that's for sure. But you need to try this. It's amazing. I love it. The finish is flawless. It blends like a dream. It's so buttery smooth to blend. You don't need to hassle with it. You can easily blend it with your fingers. I usually use my fingers to blend my makeup products. This is highly recommended. I've been using it for easily about 7 8 years now. uh yeah, 6 to 8 years maybe. But and I'm still obsessed, so that says a lot about the product. This is too good, too good. I love it. Moving on, we have the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and the coverage on this one is amazing. The coverage is so good. It's definitely a high coverage concealer. You just need a few drops of this on your under eyes and your trouble spots, and you're sorted. The only issue with this one is that is the shade range. It's pathetic. They have just three shades last time I checked. And I mean, even this one, I think this is 314 beige, and it's my highlighting shade. I have 317 also, and usually it suits me, but the shade range is really sad, I would say. For a brand like L'Oreal, the shade range for such an amazing product, they need to they really need to improve on that. I'm definitely highly disappointed for that, but the product is so good that I can't keep my hands off it. This is a new launch. It's from Quench Botanics, and this is the brightening concealer from them. This is in the shade medium. It is my shade. It is my shade, and I got this in PR. And guys, do you see the coverage? This little tube has the most amazing coverage. This definitely is a great competition in terms of coverage to the L'Oreal Infallible one, but this one also has very less shade options, if I'm not wrong. I need to check that again. But the coverage on this one is beautiful. I love it. It is such an amazing concealer. It blends beautifully. It's very soft and smooth on the skin, and the coverage is amazing. So what else do you need, right? I have still have, this retails for 549, not exactly cheap, but cheaper than the rest, and you can easily get these on discount also. So you can try this one also. This okay. So moving on, I forgot to mention one more product which comes under the skin tint or serum foundation range. This is the Kiro Serum Foundation, Daily Dewy Serum Foundation, and oh my god, it's beautiful. It says it's a foundation, but it blends beautifully. Okay, do you see? The coverage is so good. It's a medium coverage foundation, I would say. It's not thick at all. It's not too liquidy also. It's a perfect consistency. It's not heavy on your skin. I think I love this one when I'm going out for movies or shopping or maybe a date or something. It gives me a nice glow. It gives me a decent finish and coverage, and I love this one. So this is around 900 rupees, but Kiro also runs discounts on their own website. You can check it out. They run some great offers from time to time, like buy one get one or something. So, and if you can grab it in time on that offer, then I think this is a great steal deal for this product. It's beautiful. Moving on, we have a loose powder, which is the Maybelline loose powder, Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade 20 light medium. I have this is so finely milled. The finish is beautiful. It sets everything in place and so long lasting. So this is the only loose powder that I'm going to recommend because it's the best, in my opinion, in the market, in the affordable category for sure. But it's beautiful, guys. Just get this one and you are sorted. Okay, so next is blushes, and in the affordable category I have three options here. This one, this is their cream stick blush. This is the on the glow blush stick. Do you see the shade? It is such a natural nude, peachy nude blush, and it suits my skin tone so well. You see how beautifully it blends in the skin? It's not too matte, it's not overly glowy. It gives such a subtle glow to the skin. It looks almost natural blush, I would say. So this is in the shade Rogue Red. It says red, but it's definitely not red. Maybe the undertones are, but it's very peachy, very neutral toned beige, a neutral toned nudish shade, and I think it's perfect for brown skin also. I am a brown skin girl and I love this, and it definitely shows up on my skin too. And you can definitely try this one out. Next one is also from Inside Cosmetics. It is their liquid blush, this one. And this is also, I think this is in the shade, I'll have to check. I think I'll mention the shade somewhere here on the screen because it's not mentioned on the packaging. And this is the perfect nude shade for brown skin, and I love it. It gives such a subtle sheen and shade of blush to my skin that I am obsessed. This is like my perfect everyday blush. The shade is so beautiful. It is the perfect nude blush for me, which is very hard to find, for brown skin girls, for us brown skin girls, finding a blush shade, nude blush shade that looks just perfect for us is hard to find. And I think this one ticks all boxes, surely. So you can try this out. It is affordable. It is, I think, under 300 rupees. Both of these are under 300. The quality is great. The shades are great. So I'm going to mention the shades here. And I think I highly recommend these. These are beautiful blushes. So going on a little higher range, I would suggest the Kiro blush sticks from Kiro. These are beautiful, guys. These are also beautiful. Do you see that shade? I think I'm obsessed with shades like these for my daily use, I would say. And you know, both all three shades were quite similar, but oh, this blended like butter. I think this gives me such a pretty sheen. Let's check. It has not moved my makeup too, even if I apply it over it. You see that? It gives such a nice glow and it's so pigmented and it blends like butter. It's a beautiful blush and they have gorgeous shade range also, so you can check them out. So next is powder blushes. One is, I think anyone can guess it, is the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Revolutionary, 50 Revolutionary. It's a very pretty peachy coral, not exactly coral, I would say, pink peach blush. It's matte and oh, it's perfect. It's a perfect nude blush. Generally, what I do is I use my cream blush and then I go over with my powder blush to make it last longer, because evidently I'm an oily skin girl. I need to do these things, and these are some of the hacks that I have come across and used it on myself and can vouch for them undoubtedly. So this is one of the most beautiful blushes, and I find myself inclining towards this one quite a lot. So this has to be in my most recommended list for sure. Next is something that I have come across recently and absolutely fell in love with this. This is the Forever 52 Chic Script Blush, Daily Forever 52. Especially this shade. Do you see how gorgeous the shade is? This is my perfect blush shade. I am obsessed with this one. I really can't share this one. If I hit pan on this, I am going to definitely repurchase this. This is in the shade Cardinal. And guys, for brown skin girls, if you need a blush which gives you that perfect rosy light, rosy nude kind of blush look, and the finish of this one, I don't know what's different from others, but the finish this one gives to my makeup and my skin after I apply it, it's amazing. It's like my skin has the Paris filter on in real life, and I love the finish of the Forever 52 blushes. They're gorgeous and I highly recommend this. I think I'll keep going back to this one again and again for the rest of my life because it's that good. So next is eyeshadow palettes, and I don't have many affordable ones because I don't use many eyeshadow palettes, so I have one from each category, I would say. And for the affordable category, points for guessing that this one is from Mars Cosmetics. Mars Cosmetics makes some of the most amazing products in the market, and we can't deny that. And further in the video, I think I have a maximum majority of products from Mars Cosmetics, and I'm guilty of that, but I genuinely love their products, and they make some very affordable and beautiful products, especially for Indian market. This is in the shade Blooming Dahlia. This is their 6 shades eyeshadow palette. And do you see the color story of this one? I'm obsessed with pink eyeshadows, and there's no denying that. I'm obsessed with this, and I am in love with this palette for all the right reasons. Also, the pigmentation on this. Oh god, it's so good. It's one swipe pigment, guys. So you can see how gorgeous the pigmentation is. They have around 6 shades in this, so it's like 6 different color stories in this, and you can check them out. They have one nude palette, they have one green palette as well. I was eyeing the pink palette because I'm obsessed that way, but you can try their other shades. I think they're worth trying once, and they're easy on the pocket as well, and great quality. For eyeshadows, I have one more recommendation. This is from K Beauty. ये आई शैडो भी इतना ये आई शैडो पेंसिल है फ्रॉम के ब्यूटी. आई थिंक इट रिटेल्स फॉर के ब्यूटी का स्टैंडर्ड प्राइसिंग इज अराउंड 800 900 और समवेयर अराउंड 600 to 800. आई हैव टू चेक, एक बार चेक करके मैं मेंशन कर दूंगी स्क्रीन पे. बट गाइज द पिगमेंटेशन एंड द शेड, यू सी, ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा गोल्डन शिमर है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर अ नाइट आउट. You can just grab this and use it on your eyelid and you're sorted. एक ही product में you will be sorted with your eye look, and I think it's great for that. You can definitely try this one out. Okay, so next is an eyeliner जो मैं highly recommend करूँगी सबको. I am an eyeliner girl. मैं eyeliner लगा रही हूँ since class 12th, which was easily 11 years back, and I have used quite a few eyeliners, I would say, in those 11, 12 years. And I was once obsessed with the Lakme 9 to 5 liner, the rose gold bottle that they had, but I think they discontinued it, and I was the saddest person on earth when they did that, because that was my go to eyeliner. It was smudge proof, it sat well on my oily skin, like my oily eyelids. I have oily eyelids, and most of the eyeliners don't work for me. Even the Maybelline tattoo eyeliner, the red packaging, it does not work for me. They say it's a tattoo, but it does not work for me. I have oily eyelids, and I need my liners to not make my eyes look like panda eyes after like 3 4 hours, 2 3 hours. Some eyeliners in the market are so bad that they don't even last for an hour on my eyelid. So what's the use of that? And hence, when I stumbled upon this eyeliner from the brand Kiro, and when I used it and I used it and I used it again, I got obsessed, because this is my favorite eyeliner for sure, and I don't think I'm going to move from that. मतलब इसको मैं जितना recommend करूँ उतना कम है, इतना प्यारा product है ये. For all my eyeliner girls who are obsessed with liners and have issues with oily eyelids and their eyeliner smudging, एक बार ये try करके देखो. I hope it works for you, because it worked beautifully for me. And जब से ये शुरू करा है मैंने, I don't think I'm going to go back to any other liner. I'm going to purchase it every time I finish this one, and this is my second purchase already, and it's beautiful. Try it. Okay, so now I have all the lip products here. So we'll start with lip liners first. And for affordable category that we are talking about today, the best one in the market has to be Mars Cosmetics lip liners. I have 5 shades here with me, and the color story of these lip liners is so good. I think you will find your perfect shade, the perfect brown, the perfect nude, the perfect red or pink or magenta. Anything you are looking for, you will find with Mars lip liners. They are buttery smooth, no tugging, no pulling, nothing. These are so good. The quality is amazing. These retail for just 70 rupees, 69 rupees to be precise. And I think for the price, इसकी quality is A1 in the market. तो एक बार इसको try करके देखो. For trying purposes, I think Mars is a great option. They don't burn a hole in your pocket, and the quality is amazing. Next is lipsticks. So starting with the OG, we have the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Get Undressed, and this is my favorite shade from the range. It is so brown skin friendly. Do you see? बहुत amazing nude shade है ये, with like I would say it's a mauve nude. which is my perfect kind of shades, and I love it. I love it, guys. The quality is great. It sets matte, and for 200, 300 rupees, it's a great quality lipstick, and it lasts you very long. So what else do you need? And the shade is amazing. Okay, so next is a lip crayon from Love Earth, especially in the shade Coffee Rose. It is such a pretty shade. Where should I swatch it? Here. You see, such a pretty shade this one is. It's not your typical deep brown shades. It is the perfect nudish brown that one goes for. Speaking of lovers, I have one more recommendation, which is their liquid lipstick, which is very viral also. It is the liquid mousse lipstick in the shade Irish Coffee, which is a very viral shade for brown skin. It is a maroon toned, I would say, brown color. It is a maroon. Do you see? This is the one. It's a deeper shade and perfect for deeper skin tones. It's so good. It again, this one is very comfortable on the lips, very lightweight on the lips, I must add. You don't feel anything on your lips, and it's transfer proof too. So I think Love Earth makes some very pretty lipsticks and lip products, so you can try these out. You won't be regretting it. Next is a comparatively newer launch. This is from Nykaa. This is their super light liquid lipsticks, and this is the shade Cinnamon Swirl. Okay, so this is a brown shade, and the undertone of this one is so beautiful. On my skin tone, this looks a very beautiful, natural brown, nudish brown, I would say. Not like dark brown, the perfect undertone and the perfect shade of brown, which suits my skin tone so well. And it is so lightweight, guys. अगर मतलब इसका नाम इतना justify करता है इसका formula, बहुत supremely lightweight and transfer proof again, and super comfortable on the lips. Okay, so the most amount of lipsticks that I have are from the brand Kiro, because Kiro makes some of the most amazing lipsticks in the market. The formula is so comfortable, so creamy, and yet matte. I mean, guys, सुना है आपने कि लिपस्टिक्स खत्म हो गई है, मतलब मेरी ये लिपस्टिक खत्म हो गई है, and this is my second purchase, and that happens very rarely कि मैं कोई लिपस्टिक खत्म करूँ. मेरे पास इतनी लिपस्टिक्स हैं कि वो खत्म ही नहीं होती, बट ये एक लिपस्टिक का शेड है which is nude ginger from Kiro Cosmetics, and I am short of words कि ये कितना प्यारा शेड है. मतलब, sometimes I need to apply like two lipsticks, three lipsticks to get that perfect undertone, that perfect shade. This lipstick does not require a lip liner, does not require another lipstick to be mixed with this to get my perfect shade. This is my perfect shade in a bottle, and I highly, highly, highly recommend this particular shade from Kiro. It's a beautiful shade. People don't talk much about it. I don't know why, because this is something I am obsessed with in capital letters. I can't say much about this because I'm just obsessed. I'm in love with this one. You need to try this one out. अगर कुछ भी लेना हो out of all the products that I've recommended today, grab this one. Simple as that. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so to end this video, I have last two products. These are the lip tints from Mars Cosmetics again. These are the glossy lip tints that they have, and these two are my absolute favorite shades at the moment. Out of these two, this one is my favorite because this gives me such a natural nude brown tint to my lips, and I think it's the perfect nude lip tint that one needs. बहुत ही प्रिटी टिंट है. दीज आर सुप्रीमली पिगमेंटेड गाइज. आपने अगर इसके रिव्यूज नहीं देखे हैं तो लेट मी टेल यू, यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद दिस वन बिकॉज this formula of Mars is super pigmented. These are compared to the Roman lip tints, and for the right reasons. Do you see? It's pigmented, or it's tinted already. Do you see that? And it's such a natural shade. Out of every shade in this range, I think I would definitely tell everyone, be it whatever skin tone you are of, try this lip tint, try this shade. I think you are also going to be obsessed with it because मैंने जब ये try करा, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि इतना नेचुरल भी कोई लिप टिंट हो सकता है क्या? बिकॉज इट्स नॉट इन योर फेस वाला टिंट. यू अप्लाई दिस and you can remove it if you want, and you can use a gloss on it, and you're sorted. इतना perfect everyday वाला tint है ये. I highly recommend this shade from this particular range, and you won't be disappointed. Okay, so we are done with all the products that I had here, and these are the products that I'm inclined towards. And inki best part hai that these are affordable. What else do we need? These are easy on your pockets, and you can purchase them and try them for yourself. अगर आपको इनमें से कोई एक प्रोडक्ट भी अगर खरीदना है तो आई वुड रेकमेंड दिस वन. दिस इज माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट गाइज. मतलब ये लिपस्टिक मैं जितना रेकमेंड करूँ उतना कम है. Also, if you have used any of these products before or are using them currently, then definitely leave your reviews in the comments below. I would love to read what you think about these products, because आपका opinion भी matter करता है, and it would give me a great insight about these products too. You can leave your valuable feedbacks and recommendations as well in the comments below, and I would love to read them and reply to you. Also, if you love this video, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your valuable comments below, and share this video with anyone whom you think would need this and would help them in any way possible. And please hit the subscribe button, because it would mean the world to me. I'm trying to grow a family here, and this is a new channel comparatively, and I would try my best to bring in some valuable content for you guys. So, thank you so much. Until next time, and bye.